What's up guys, Nick here back with another video. So today we'll be unboxing the JBL Endurance Speed. In Amazon this costs around $130. So this is waterproof for 30 minutes under 1 meter of water, and it's good for casual swimmers, and it has touch controls. And yeah, so let's unbox this. So the to turn on the earphones, you have to move the hook away from the earphone for it to turn on, and after some time you go to pairing mode, and then to control your volume you have to slide it up and down, and for your pausing and picking out calls is one tap, for going to the next music is double tap, and for going to the previous music is triple tap. So let's get to the unboxing of the JBL Endurance Speed. So first we see the charging case and the two earphones. So let's take out the charging case. So the charging case has 24 hours of battery life, and the headphones have 4 hours of battery life, so in total you have 28 hours of battery life. Your headphones charge via pins. So let's take out the headphones now, and so we have our headphones here, and then they go into your headphone charging cases like that, and now it's charging. So in the box we have a micro USB cable, some extra earbuds, and we have our control guide, warranty, safety, and our user manual. So yeah, let's get on to our JBLs. Okay, so we will take this out, and then we'll go to the settings app on your phone and go to Bluetooth. Turn on your Bluetooth and you just hold it like that, and then you see it turn on first red, and then a few minutes later it will turn to blue, which is pairing mode. And so we wait for it to appear on the screen. So it has appeared on the screen. We connect it, is JBL Endurance Speed, and we put it in our ear. So now let's test the sound quality. So the music quality is not that bad, but the bass can go deeper, and the quality of this is quite good. The case is made out of plastic, but that's okay. And this is around $300 in Amazon. So thank you for watching this video, and remember to like and subscribe.